Hey guys, Eugene Mukanov from My.photoschool channel is here. Today I'm going to be talking about does it make sense to switch to new Camera Raw. Let's check it out. But before we begin, what did I do to get a new version of Photoshop and Adobe Camera Raw? I'm a Mac user. If you are using PC, then it's no problem, I think. But if you are using older operating system like Sierra, I had Sierra 10.12, so I could not install new Photoshop and Camera Raw. So I had to install new Mac operating system. The latest one is Catalina. I tried to install Catalina, but Catalina has problems. I had a problem with Wi-Fi, with drivers and something else. So I had to go back to High Sierra. Now I have High Sierra. Ta-da! MacOS High Sierra 10.13.6. You can see I have MacBook Pro 15-inch mid-2012. It's an old machine, but it's a good one. So, does it make sense to use a latest version of Adobe Camera Raw with an old machine? Let's check it out. So, if you have older version of operating system on your Mac, like Sierra, El Capitan or Yosemite, then you have to upgrade. So, if you do not upgrade your operating system, you will not find the latest versions of Photoshop in your Creative Cloud. So, if you go to Creative Cloud, let's open Creative Cloud, Applications, Adobe Creative Cloud, here it is. We will go to Updates. Now you can see there is Photoshop 21 2.3, there is an update. You have also download Bridge 10.11, the newest one. And you can also download Adobe Camera Raw version 12.4. I did that, so I have Adobe Bridge. I have Adobe Photoshop 2020. Let's try to open some files. I go to Adobe Bridge directly and I click on a file. Double click. Booms! Voila! You see it's opened in Adobe Camera Raw version 9.1. This is because I have previous version of Photoshop. I have CS6. It's a good one. Alright, let's just cancel and go back to Bridge again, and let's try the keyboard shortcut Command R or Control R on a PC. Now we are in Adobe Camera Raw 12.4. It has a completely new interface. You see, it's completely new. It's something like what? Like Lightroom. Yes, it's Lightroom. It's Lightroom-like. For this reason, I have downloaded the latest version of Lightroom Classic. It has now 3 letters. LRC. Alright. What do we have new? First, let's see an older version. I made a screenshot. This is the screenshot of the previous version of Adobe Camera Raw. It's an old one, but still working. It's 9.1. So have a look. They have panel to the on the top to the left. This panel has moved to the right, you will see. There was a button here, save image, and there is no button right now, just gone. And they also rearranged the basic panel. It was in a horizontal way, and they have arranged it in a vertical way. Let's have a look again. We move back to Bridge, Command R. So, you see, save image disappeared. Hey, Adobe, where's that button? We need that button. So, in order to save the image, now you have to right-click the mouse and you will see the menu. And in this menu, you will see Save Image. You push Save Image and you will see Save Options. You see? Now the button is gone, but you may do it through the image clicking. I don't know, maybe it's good. So what did they do with the tools on the top? These tools move to the right here. They have now Edit, hand is here in the bottom, then they just have crop, they have spot removal, they have adjustment brush, graduated, radial, red eye removal, snapshot and presets. So they moved snapshots and presets from this menu, which was under the histogram, and so they don't have what? They don't have transformation and they don't have straighten tool. So where's straighten tool? Straighten tool is right here. It is hidden in the crop panel. Maybe it's good, I don't know. It's a matter of habit. So what else? Where is that transformation tool? Alright, we can find transformation in the geometry. So they have changed names. They have changed the names. You see? Whoa! Adobe! Great! You have changed names. They also renamed the lens correction menu. Now it's optics. And they made kind of, I don't know, maybe it's a good change or not good. So in order to get to the panel, you need to push the arrow right here. And you see, you just push the arrow and you see the details. But what I like here is they added an eye. An eye means what? An eye means that if you did some correction in the menu, in detail, sharpening, or blah blah blah, I don't know. So if you did something, they added an eye. It means that you did some changes in these panels. So let's have a look at basic. Basic. Exposure, contrast, you see, voila, maybe it's good. They moved auto button to the top, now it's here, booms. What else? The camera raw preferences, they added panels and now you can change the behavior. Let's say if you just choose multi, let's have a look. We open basic, we open curve, we open, let's say, detail. You see, and all the panels are opened. It's like in Lightroom. So we move back to the behavior and change it to the single. Okay. Now, if you just open curve, just you see the curve, and if you choose basic, it automatically closes the curve tool. Maybe it's good as well. They did fantastic changes. They have changed names, they have changed interface, but functions are all the same. Now you need to get used to a new version. So, does it make sense? In my opinion, it's not. If you have an older version of operating system, if you are using older Mac, you need to upgrade to MacOS, High Sierra or later, maybe Catalina, I don't know. You need to download the latest version of Photoshop. As for the changes there, they are just only related to selection algorithm. That's all. Some minor changes related to fonts. They are not great. They're just minor. And if you are happy with your version of Photoshop or Camera Raw, just stay with that. Do not follow these Adobe, I don't know, crazy ideas. Because you will still get the same results. Profile is the same. They did not do anything with the color management. What else? They added some maybe more intuitive curve adjustments. Well, I don't know. Maybe for someone it's a good one. So habit is a great thing. If you got used to older version and you have to relearn your habits. You see, it's crazy thing. As a photographer, I've been using Nikon system for a long time. Nikon had the ISO button to the right of the hand grip. Then they move it to the left. And now, on the latest version of Nikon D780, they moved ISO back and back again to the right. Maybe the same will happen to Adobe. You see, I don't know. It's a crazy world. So, to wrap it up, if you are new to Photoshop, if you don't know how to use Photoshop and Camera Raw, you may download the latest version and be happy. If you got used to old versions of Photoshop and Adobe Camera Raw, don't do that. It does not make any sense. You won't get better results. The results will be the same. Because the profile system and color management system is the same. It hasn't been changed, you see? Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and push the bell button to get the new videos. It was Eugen Mukanov from My.photoschool channel. Bye bye. See you later.